Welcome back, my dear viewers, my dear watchers from Mentor English. Myself, motivational speaker, leadership business coach, master trainer, language trainer, vlogger, novelist, Professor MA Raza. Today we are gonna discuss the particular topic of what is tragedy. So let's do it. Let's get started. According to Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, tragedy is a serious play with a sad ending, especially one in which main character dies. Penguin Dictionary of Literary Terms and Literary Theory defines tragedy. Thus, in the first place, it almost certainly denoted a form of ritual sacrifice accompanied by a choral song in honor of Dionysus, the god of the fields and the vineyards. Out of the ritual developed Greek dramatic tragedy. Murphin describes tragedy as a serious and often somber drama written in prose or verse that typically ends in disaster and that focuses on a character who undergoes unexpected reversal. According to Greek philosopher Aristotle, tragedy is the imitation of an action that is serious, has magnitude, and is complete in itself in language with pliable accessories, each kind brought in separately in various parts of the work in a dramatic not in a narrative form, with incidents arousing pity and fear, where pity and fear wherewith to accomplish its catharsis of such emotions. Another view of tragedy that was held in the Middle Ages by the play goers resembles the one which the monk in Chaucer's Canterbury Tales hold. Tragedy is to seen a certain story as old books maken us memory of him that stood in great prosperity, and is why ye fallen out of high degree into misery and endeth wretchedly. The theme or moral of the monk's tale, according to Harrison, is that fortune or destiny mysteriously plays a trick on a man to throw him from a state of prosperity to misery, to bring out a reversal and a disastrous end. Tragedy, indeed, one of the most difficult of critical terms, a theme for endless discussion and theory. Harrison, page 14 and 15. You must have noted that definition of tragedy refers above have some common points. Tragic drama, point number one, according to these definition, is a play which has a sad ending. Point number two, the protagonist suffer a fall from happinesses to misery. Point number three, a reversal of fortune from prosperity to adversity. Point number four, an effective tragic drama leaves the theater goers in an emotional state of purgation. Point number five, of their emotions of pity and fear. Point number six, it should be noted that tragedy, through all the process of evolution, no doubt exhibited changes in its mechanics, as well as the stagecraft and the morals which the dramatist has in mind to effective communicate to the audience. So we have a particular discuss about the this particular complete topic about what is tragedy. So the next topic will be, inshallah, what is Aristotelian tragedy. So we will discuss it in detail particularly. before going, I would like to tell you that if you are searching some sort of lecture about novel and drama in Urdu, so that we have another channel for the services of Urdu language. All the topics are covered in Urdu, particularly there. The channel handle is Mentor Urdu, and in Urdu you can type, or you can say in the YouTube mic, Murshid Urdu Professor. So you will definitely find all these lectures. Hope you will definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon, and if you didn't, so request you again. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.
क्या आपने कभी सोचा, बच्चों की तालीम पर लाखों रुपए खर्च करने के बाद भी अक्सर वालिदैन ये शिकवा क्यों करते हैं कि बच्चे उनका अदब नहीं करते? उसकी वजह यह है कि ज़िंदगी गुजारने के तौर तरीके तो निसाब में शामिल ही नहीं। अगर आप हज़ारों रुपए माहाना स्कूल फ़ीस जमा करवा कर भी अपने बच्चे की तरबियत से मुतमईन नहीं हैं, और अगर आप किसी ऐसी किताब की तलाश में हैं जिसे पढ़कर आपका बच्चा सादतमंद बन जाए, तो अपने बच्चे को अब्दुस्तार मिनहाजियन की किताब 63 आदाब ज़िंदगी तोहफ़ा में दें, ताकि वो ज़िंदगी के 63 मुख्तलिफ़ पहलुओं के आदाब जान सके। बड़े साइज़ के 304 सफ़ात पर मुश्तमिल हार्ड बाइंडिंग के साथ किताब की असल कीमत 1500 रुपये है, जबकि इस चैनल की विसातत से खुसूसी डिस्काउंट के साथ घर बैठे सिर्फ 1200 रुपये में हासिल करने के लिए व्हाट्सएप नंबर 0327181779 पर रब्ता फरमाएं। नंबर दोबारा नोट कर लीजिए, 0327181779